Hello.
Yeah.
So your visitors at this. How can I help you?
Yeah. So there's some changes that we are facing. So, but I'll come with a question that you can help us.
So what is it that you are struggling with?
Yeah. So I'm experiencing some pain, breathing, even pain to put weight, and also feeling some dizzy at the time.
So do you play sports, or maybe you are involved in any road accident, or maybe you fall from a tree or some.
Yeah. I don't play football, but I remember I fall down from tree.
So after falling down from that tree, did you experience any hate or pain in your body, or uh, did you experience or sustain some injury?
Yeah. My leg was broken.
Okay. So I thought it was a dislocation, but since you mentioned that your leg was broken, that means it's a fracture, and that is also why you experience some partial broken of a bone, and that is also caused by accident, falling from a tree, and sometimes it's also um, caused by osteoporosis, which weakens our bones and cause them to sustain some partial break. And you even experience some pain, swelling, breathing, even failing to put weight on the affected area. And at times you even feel some dizziness.
Yeah.
You can't even move the area that is affected. So those are symptoms of a fracture, and you can treat that through stopping any breath, and you do so by putting pressure on the affected area to prevent the wound from protruding. You even put a bandage on it to stop it, or even a pain cough. And sometimes you also immobilize the injured part and apply some ice packs to stop swelling as well as treat shock. So on prevention, you can even adhere to some safety rules, and by doing so you'll be able to avoid uh, those unnecessary injuries that may cause your bones to puncture or fractures. So thanks for coming. I hope next time you will call.